Welcome to Casa Gundelina!
Bye, Joy!
Prutas na po, vegetable na po.
Fruit lang. Ayan, takman yun.
Ice cream, ano po siya?
Bingpad.
This fruit came from South America pala. Inside it, para siyang cotton candy na di gaanong sugary.
Where to? Galing South Africa.
South America, mami.
Ay,
South America.
South
Hey,
America.
baka nano.
Yan, sige.
Yan, kanan niya
Ini?
pink, white,
Wow.
white part. Opo.
Wala kami itang butol, syempre.
Opo, oh, yan na mama. Oh, another one.
Yan yung lagyo.
Ice cream.
Ice cream bean pod.
Look at the seed. So big.
So, ayun ka na yan.
This is the place we are staying in dito sa Casa Gundelina. Let me give you a tour. So if you notice guys, ang pinaka-theme ng resort natin is more of a wood. Very minimalist, no? Walang masyadong abubot, ganyan. And you're gonna be amazed dito sa napakalaking, what do you call this? Dining table na all wood. Yeah? So walang metal, walang nails na ginamit dito. All 100% wood. This is also a refurbished furniture. Pansin natin yung design natin guys, sobrang luma na yan. Pero, ang ganda pa rin. And then this is kitchen area. So you can wash, cook, refrigerator. Dito, ano ginagawa ng mga dito? Hello! Say hi! Say hi to the vlog! Ayan, ito yung mga fruits natin. Sarap. And then, dito sa area na to, meron tayong, for rent to. So, additional fee guys if you wanna use this one. Ito yung ating video, okay.
Kung alam gaano kalalim mamaya, I will check.
Wow! It's raining! It's raining! Ayan. Saan may malalim dito? Wow! It's raining! Ang lamig! Ang lamig! Hi baby! Are you enjoying?
Yes, or happy bata.
Best day ever? Alright. Bella! Isabella! Hey! Best day ever? Best day ever? You said, Mommy. Get the phone, get the phone. Get the phone. Quick night tour. How does it look like during the night dito sa Casa Gundelina? This is the pool. What a lovely pool, no guys. I gotta say, water quality is very, very excellent. Hindi siya malamig kahit na umulan kanina, guys. Hindi siya ganun kalamig. Sarap pa rin yung feeling. And then, yung cleanliness, actually perfect. Isa sa mga nagpapa-romantic dito sa lugar na to is yung mga lights natin. Yan, pansinin nyo guys. Ayan. So, doon kami nagstay. And then, dito kami kumakain. Dito kami kakain mamaya. Ayan. Yeah, this is the pool. This is how it looks like during the night.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in.
Good morning! Good morning! So, it's our second day dito sa Casa Gundelina. I had a really nice time sleeping kasi sobrang cozy. Sarap nung namin, yung place namin. Notice guys, kung naririnig kayong may construction sa background is because meron silang expansion actually. Ayan, so this is gonna be available this coming summer. Late last night na, they're still working. Ayan, so watch out for this one.
Hummingbird golden, I'll follow my golden,
Hi, Wish!
golden, golden thing. Gold hair, gold hair, gold hair, gold everything, gold. I'll follow the gold.
So, yun guys, it's almost 10 o'clock in the morning and ilang oras na lang mag-check out na kami dito. So, yan, if you're interested to know more about Gundelina, make sure to check out po yung fan page we're gonna be providing in the caption below. This is another, getaway that you need to check out. Nagsuswimming pa sila guys, sasamahan ko sila ngayon. So hopefully guys, matry nyo po si Casa Gundelina and stay safe. By the way, shout out sa Uida Local. We miss you guys. Thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next video. Peace out guys. Bye.
Sun.